Are you ready to get your embroidery module connected to the Bernina 560? That's what we're switching over to next with the Sewing Mastery videos. So from all these videos forward, we're going to talk only embroidery. So first off, I want to show you what came out of the embroidery box. I know we showed you a little bit at the beginning, but this is truly what I just opened up. So first off, there is a nice embroidery bag for your module and hoops, and even probably a few other things like some stabilizer to go with you to classes or to travel to different locations with. The module is sitting right back here, and I will show you how it all connects. There is a black cord. It's going to eventually come around here and plug into the side of the machine. Also in the box are two hoops. So we have the normal oval hoop and the medium hoop. There are a few extra hoops that you can get for this machine. One is a nice longer version called a mega hoop, and then there is a smaller one as well. So if you're looking for other sizes to better match your designs, check out your Bernina dealer for those extra hoops. They are wonderful. You also have hoop templates. So these will sit actually in the hoop and help you easily align. Now when you put them in here, you're going to notice they just fall right through, and that is because in one of your little bags are these gray clips. And the clips, let me just show you, actually slide in along the side. I know it's like looking through a window here, but see how they just kind of click into the side? And then as they sit in the hoop, then it's easy, well now it just makes more sense because now there's little marks for them to sit in and you can lay that on your fabric. So that's how those actually attach. All right, and there is one for the medium hoop as well. You do have a warranty card because this module is serialized. There's a serial number on the underneath side, so just like you sent in your warranty card for your sewing machine, send it in with the one for the embroidery module. Okay, also in the box, one of them is an extra bobbin case, and it's going to be shown in kind of a gold color. So when I put I'm going to take my regular bobbin case out. Let me show you the differences here. An embroidery bobbin case, so it's not just colored a different color, but it actually has one extra piece. It has like a little pigtail right here at the top. And we're going to actually be able to put our bobbin in here, wrap it around the pigtail, and then it'll have extra tension for when we're actually embroidering. We want all those threads to pull to the back side. So I'm going to leave that out and put my other bobbin case safely away. Now, did you see a little white box? That has the embroidery foot in it. So once you really pull this out, I don't ever put it back in the box. I just put it in my accessory box. But that will go on like a darning foot. And we will talk about lowering your feed dogs. So I'm noticing they're still up right now, but they will need to be lowered when we do embroidery. You also have a couple other things that were in with the module. You've got some embroidery needles to get you going, actually that are jersey, so working on knit fabrics and things. You have a thread net, so if you've ever have spools that where the thread just wants to puddle down here, you can actually put that over and it doesn't like get stuck at the bottom, which is the worst. So thread nets, don't usually need them a lot, but I do like that they still put those in the machine. And in this particular module, so if you have a different one, you may or may not have this, but they did put a pack of the Metler Polysheen thread. Now here's a little tip. Polysheen from Metler is the exact same thread that is Isocord, but these are on small spools and these are on 1,000-meter spools. So I'm a big Isocord lover. It works with so many brands of sewing machines, so it works flawless with the Berninas. And then this is just like a nice little sampler pack. The numbers even match. So if you looked at the number here and wanted to get that spool in the bigger size, the number is the same on the Isocord thread chart. So love that. Now, excuse me, this is actually optional. I have already put it on because I do have it, is the straight stitch throat plate. So I have taken off my regular zigzag throat plate and put on my straight stitch throat plate, and then that's going to just help stabilize that needle going down, up and down, because it never goes side to side with embroidery. So that's going to just give me perfect stitches every single time. And then I did go in and set my machine to be for the single hole throat plate, not the 9mm. So I won't accidentally choose or go between sewing and embroidery and break something. So I always like that. When I turn the machine off, that's remembered, and I don't have to worry about it. So thank you, Bernina, for all these safety things that you put on these machines. They are so, so nice not to have to remember, just sit down and sew. Okay, so that's all the accessories except for one last thing. This will connect your computer to directly connected to the embroidery machine. So if you do have a laptop close by and want to do direct connect, most of the time I just use a USB stick and put it in here. You'll want to get a Bernina USB stick, and that will work flawless also. So just, again, not everybody needs this, but it is available and it is in your box. You ready to get started? Let's do this.